Yes, have a nice day once again, guys, and welcome to Water Process and Engineering Services. Welcome to my video blog. Welcome to our channel, guys. I'd like to say thank you very much to my 203 from 199. Now it becomes 203 subscribers. And here's another video that I'm going to share with you in relation again to how you manage your water filling station. So this is again, guys, this is our own water filling station. I am sharing you some tips and guidance tutorial all about low pressure switch. Right, this is low pressure switch. So our blog for today is in relation to low pressure switch. So what is low pressure switch? Okay, the main function of low pressure switch is to detect whether the pipeline, the inlet pipeline is available with water, or is the pipeline has water that flows or running in the pipeline going to the reverse osmosis. So in this video I'm going to teach you how important is the low pressure switch in monitoring your water filling machine. So the main purpose is to avoid this softener or the carbon or the multimedia to be vacuum. So what do you mean by vacuum? If you experience that this FRP tank will deform, so that's the meaning of vacuum, meaning to say that there is no water that is inside to this FRP tank. So it is very important that you will know the function of the low pressure switch. So I'm going to show you what is the main function of the low pressure switch. Okay, let's try to on this row pump. Okay, we'll open this one first. Okay. So what happened now is the row pump suction water from the raw water tank. So this is row pump. So the water now is being fed inside to this multimedia, carbon and softener, and ready for processing once you turn on the reverse osmosis pump. So this is the reverse osmosis pump, guys. Okay, so when we're going to turn on this one, okay, the wastewater comes out and the purified water now in this purified tank. Okay, what I'm going to show you right now is, by the way, I just turn off all the pumps because we cannot hear each other, or you cannot hear my explanation because of the noisy of the motors. So I'm going to show you the importance of the low pressure switch right now. So I'm going to turn on the row pump and turn on the RO pump, and supposing that the raw water tank is out of water. So supposed to be the uh, supposed okay, let's say for instance that this raw water tank is out of water. Okay, I'm going to turn on the raw pump. Okay, and turn on the RO pump. So we are now on the process. Then let's say for example that the raw tank is out of water. So meaning to say no water. Okay, when I turn off the raw pump, that's the same example with no water. So if the low pressure switch is in good condition, the reverse osmosis pump will automatically shut off. Okay, let's do the demo. Okay, once again I'm going to turn on the raw pump. And are open. And supposing that there is no water, just like when we're going to turn on this one, this RO pump will automatically shut down. Okay. See? See? The RO pump is automatically shut down because of the low pressure switch. So what is the importance of the low pressure switch? It plays a big part of the safety of the FRP not to be vacuum, or this FRP tank will not deform, because if the low pressure switch is not functioning, the RO pump, this one, will continue running and pumping without any water that is supplied by the raw pump. So that's the problem, of course, that if the RO pump is continuously running and suctioning, and without any water that is being feed to these 3 FRP tanks, one of these FRP tanks, the carbon, multimedia, and the softener, will deform because of the RO pump will continue suctioning. So the air that is inside this FRP tanks will be suctioned now, because the RO pump is not functioning, or should I say the low pressure switch is not functioning. So what is being suctioned by the RO pump is the air that is inside this FRP tank. So that's what we call vacuum. Too much air that is being suctioned and without water that is being fed by the RO pump. So it plays a big role of the safety of the FRP tanks. So just make sure that the low pressure switch is functioning very well. So once again, let's demo. Raw pump. RO pump. Okay, assuming that there is no water in the roll tank, just like we're going to turn off the roll pump. The reverse osmosis pump is automatically shut down. Okay, that's one tip that we can offer you right here in water process and engineering services. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this video will help if you have a water refilling station. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, and thank you very much for watching the video.